Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, here we will do the counseling stage. Introduce, my name is Rani Puspitasari as a counselor and my partner Imas as a counseling. Alright, let's get started. Please, Imas.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam, Imas. With Imas who had contacted your miss yesterday, right?
Yes, Miss. I am Imas.
Okay, Imas, how are you today?
Quite good, Miss. How about your Miss?
Thanks God you are good. What were you busy with before, Imas?
For now, I'm only going to college and joining several organizations, Miss.
Where did Imas go to college? Is in what semester and what major did you take?
Currently, I'm studying at the University of Lampung, majoring in guidance and counseling. Alhamdulillah, I'm in the 4th semester now.
Wow, how you spent your journey?
Yes, Miss, you are right.
Related to Imas majoring in guidance and counseling, arriving to Imas, do you know what counseling is?
Yes, I know a little. I think counseling is a service performed by a counselor to help find solution to the counselor's problems.
That's true, Imas. What counseling here is the process of providing assistance by a counselor to his client. Previously, here I will also clarify a little about the principles in counseling, where in counseling there are three principles that we first there is confidentiality. Is in this case, Imas does not have to worry about the problems that Imas will convey later spread, because whatever Imas convey later will be guaranteed confidentially. Secondly, there is a consideration on this principle. Imas is asked to be exalted so that we can find a way out together in these Imas problems. And lastly, there is the principle of frontalism. We must join the counseling because there is not need for coercion or self-will.
Honestly, by my own will, Miss.
Alhamdulillah, then before we enter the counseling stage, is there anything would like to ask first?
For now, there is no.
Okay, then before that, our counseling was only 30 minutes by Miss Imas. Hopefully that's enough time.
Yeah, I think so, Miss.
Okay, please tell me what problems are you experiencing?
So, Miss, I am very confused dividing the time for my lecture and my organization I follow.
Okay, so you are confused in terms of dividing your time.
Yes, Miss.
What are the organizations that Miss Imas join now?
There are only two, but the department organization and the study program organization, but the organization is very active. And I also have considerable responsibility within the organization, Miss.
Imas was minded as what with the organizations?
In the departmental organization, I was entrusted as general treasurer, while in the study program organization, I was entrusted as the head of the spiritual field.
Well, both are important.
Well, yes, miss.
How do you must react to this now?
At first, I just did it. But over time, how come it's getting heavier? Especially if the organization is holding events or even like that.
Then in terms of dividing the time, like what do you want?
I really want it so that I can do that. To divide my time in an organized manner and don't be confused, miss, in deciding what I will do or what I will do. Because because right now the organization meeting schedule often collides with the class schedule. And also if there is an event, the organization I don't have time to do my homework. Sometimes I have to pay people to do my homework, miss.
Who do you usually pay to do your work?
Usually to my friends. Happens to be opening just like that.
Actually, it's not good to ask other people to do our work. Apart from having to spend money, we also don't understand the tax gift.
Yes, miss, you are right, but I have no other choice. Rather than not doing the assignment given, my score will be low.
That can be used as an excuse. You as a student, it's alright your obligations for you to do as much as possible.
Yes, miss.
Before we do you usually gather for organizations?
Usually the meetings are online, but sometimes they meet on campus.
What days did your schedule collide with the group of organizations?
Usually on Wednesday and Friday, miss.
Usually you have lecture hours from what time to what time? Like with your organizations, usually gathers from what time to what time?
For lectures on Wednesday starting for 10:30 to 3 in the afternoon. Now for the organization gathering, it is usually from 1 o'clock to finish. It depends on.
Miss too tight with the last hour.
Yes, miss.
First, I want to ask which one do you prioritize first? What is your courage or your organizations? Imas masih di mute.
Of course, my course is, but if I leave my organization, I will be considered irresponsible.
Yes, that's right. I will not ask you to get out of your responsibilities, but it would be better if you follow what is your priority now. You might come after when you finish college, and of course the brothers will understand that.
Yes, that's true, miss. But sometimes I feel bad if I always come late.
Say you sort will bet if you don't come at all.
Yes, miss, you're right. But what about when I do my assignment? Sometimes I feel tired and lazy when I go to college all day and have a collection of organization.
Does two assessments have to be college on the same day when after give.
Sometimes yes, sometimes it takes a few days.
Miss advice if you have together on the same day you can first ask permission not to join the group or you can do it if there is still time after you rest for a field. Have you met or have a list of activities that you will do beforehand daily?
There is no, Miss.
Okay, you should have a list or schedule that you will do in the next week so that you have a regular time when you have to go to college, when you have to do assessments, when you take a break, when you play, and when you join the organizations. So because you don't have an activity schedule, mom asks you to make in and do it according to the schedule that you will make later. How about Imas? Are you ready?
Yes, Miss, I will try.
Okay, then later a week after you do what Miss extends to you next week, I will ask you again how the progress will be.
Okay, I'm ready, Miss.
Okay, because we only have 5 minutes left, is there anything that is breathing you want to ask your mom again before we end our counseling today?
For now, I think it's enough, Miss.
Okay, then wait a week from now on how it will develop. Before that, I also want to thank you for trusting uh, me, me to help find a way out of your problem.
Yes, Miss, I also want to thank you too, Miss, for taking the time to help me for today.
Okay, welcome. Imas, keep your healthy.
Okay, Miss. Thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jadi oke ya? Oke. Okay, welcome Imas. Keep your healthy. Miss will you and it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.